What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear door speaker on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little cover right here. Just get in under here. Pull that cover off. And then right here, there's a cover. Pull that cover off. I'm going to take a 7mm socket extension and a ratchet. I'm going to take this screw out here. There's two in there, and there's also one underneath here. Take all of those out. Now we want to take some trim tools. We want to get underneath the door panel. Just pry it out. There's a bunch of clips that hold it in. Like that. To get those all out, then we can slide the door panel up. Just like that. Pull the lock rod out of the way. This cable, I want to just push down on this button, slide the cable out, and then pull the ball out. And this wiring harness, you can pull on that wire retainer and disconnect the connector right there. Push down, pull it up. Take a 7mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Remove this bolt right here. I can just take a little trim tool, pull this off, and slide it out. It slides up. Then on the back side, disconnect the connector right here, push on the tab, slide the connector out, disconnect the wiring harness right here, and there's the speaker. Now we're going to reconnect this speaker, connect the electrical connector, and then connect the wiring harness right there. Push that in. And we want to slide the lower part of the speaker into the bottom part of the door. And then there's a little clip on the back side here. Push that on. Take the bolt. Get the bolt started. Take the 7mm socket, and we'll snug it up. There's this weather strip piece, or window strip, that goes at the base of the window. You're going to slide this off the door panel. And then there's these little clips. There's 3 of them. We need to pull those off. I'm going to use a trim tool. Try to slide these out. Sometimes you need some needle nose pliers. Get in there. Slide that out. What you do is you just get in there and just try to squeeze this so that you can pull it off. Squeeze that, pull those out. Now these clips are gonna go right here, just like that. All 3. Put the clips on first. And then we'll take this weather strip or window strip, slide this in position right here, and just press it down. Just like that. All right, now let's hook the switch up. Push the connector on, and this wire is going to go into that retainer is going through that hole. Take this cable, put the ball through there, and then slide it over. Lock that in place. Take the lock rod, you need to slide it out, thread it through the hole. Once that's thread through, get all these pins lined up. Everything's lined up, and you can just push the door panel on. Now there's 4 screws we want to put in. There's 1 right there, 2 right here, and then 1 down below. Install those 4 screws with a 7mm socket and extension. Then I'm going to take a ratchet and just tighten these down, just snug. I'll take this cover, slide that in there, lock it in place. There's a cover right here. Does the same. There you go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.